Are we to assess to be like that now? Guys, don't put the entry point here because the product could go out if you are too close. So it's better to come here, okay? Because here I'm sure the product will not go out. You understand what I mean? If I come here, maybe the product will go out when I will finish. So I do the same for this part. You stretch the tissue like this, and I create always you have to do a blebs.
Why do you make a bleb?
Why I do a blebs?
Yeah.
Because the nerve, superficial nerve, are very superficial on the skin. So if you want to avoid the pain, it's a pity I did. If you did inject deeply, when you put the needle, the patient feel the pain.
Okay.
He actually doesn't feel the pain. Do you understand what I mean?
Yeah, I
because
yeah,
I don't go deeply when I do the entry point. I am superficial. So you have to be superficial for this. It's only for the patient has no pain. Huh? It's only the reason. So after I do the entry point with the needle, like I did before. Thank you.
So when do you use the cannula? When do you use the needle?
Here, no discussion. Cannula. Nothing to see. Here, cannula. For the eyebrow, for the eyelid, cannula. No discussion. Here, you saw me this morning, I use cannula or needle. You can use both in this area. Here, you can use both. So what I'm doing, I am going to use the cannula here, and if Martin is okay, I'm going to use the needle here.
Yes.
Like this, I will show you the both technique. Both are okay. For some area, you have no discussion. For here and here, never do. Well, never. It's my point of view. Huh? If you want to avoid problem, no needle. Here, yes, or cannula, but I prefer cannula. But sometimes needle, it depends. But both is okay. Here also, both is okay as well. So I did entry point. Yes, I'm not sure. No, I don't need entry point. So I use the same needle for entry point, 80 gauge. So you know what I mean, Leo? I do just here, just a 3 point, very superficial. That's why you have to do a blebs, you know. That's for the reason. It's only the reason. Thank you. So I do the same. And I turn, because you have to be deep as well here. You have to inject deeply here, absolutely deeply. Yeah? You have to be under the muscles, because you have the DAO here, and the depressor labii inferior here, and mentalis here. You have to be deep under these three muscles. So the best way is to take the tissue like this, you can see here, and I push my cannula like this. She has no pain. And I inject progressively like this, gently. The first, because I am waiting for the lidocaine axe. So I go gently like this, and I go like the fine technique. For sure, I don't inject over this lane, for sure, because there's already a bump here. So I just here. And after, when I'm sure I'm in a good level and lidocaine acts, I could go fast like this. You can see here, I go fast like this. Because I'm going to create the fibrosis. And the result will be so much better. Because actually the goal here is only one goal here, is to be, the feature of beauty here is where only one curve between the chin and the outline here. When you put, I told you, put it here, don't feel a hole, it's the same here. When you put your finger, you have not to feel any hole. You have to create this nice curve here, only for one reason, because beauty is curves. Beauty is only curve and volumes and symmetry. That is the beauty. So what I am doing, I remove only the hole, that's it. I don't do a lot of things, I remove only the hole. I'm going to continue here like this. I continue a little bit because I want to be perfect. I think it's enough. And that's it. You can see she has no pain. And now I'm going to do the other side with the needle. I will show the needle because it's possible to use the needle here. If you use the needle, be careful.
What needle do you need? A normal 27?
27 here, yes. 27.
XL?
It's XL, yes, I use the same. You can see here, it's a little bit flat here. Maybe it's nice to just a little bit around this part as well. You will see later. So I am going to use this one. So I use this in 3 point here, okay, because it's a white here.
And now
so
it's a 27.
So it's L. So for sure it's going easy with the needle now, 27. L. XL is more difficult for sure. Don't forget to feel this part here like this. So I cannot with the needle do like this, like I did with the cannula. I cannot with the needle. I am afraid to get a lot of bruises. So don't use this technique with the needle, only with the cannula, okay? You see, it's a bit painful for her. And I am going to give you another advice as well, at this level. Gas, I think it's enough. I inject enough. Give me your gas, please. I think it'll be okay. Something important, give me the marking, please. I will do something, but the surgeon knows that, but the doctor, sometimes they don't know. You have to be careful, sorry, it's only my finger. È solo mi dedo. Vale? No, non tengo aguja, è solo mi dedo. Sometimes you have to be careful. When you feel some depression here, it's easy to feel it, really. You can feel very easy. You have the nerve, you have the facial nerve here, and the facial vein as well, both are here. So, if you introduce the needle here, you have a lot of chance to have some bruises. Some people say, I always when I inject, I have bruises here. I say, where do you inject? And they show me here. Don't introduce the needle. That's why actually before put your needle here, to be far. Because you avoid to touch the facial nerve and the arterial nerve. The arterial nerve is exactly passed just here. Exactly here, like this he passed. He passed through here from the depression you have here. You have the nerve here and the fascia just here. They are really in the same size. So if you put the needle here, of course you have hematoma, for sure. If you come here, you have not. So don't forget, this is for a surgeon knows that for sure. But for doctors, don't forget, never introduce the needle at the level of depression here in order to avoid some bruises of hematoma. It is the point. Now I think it's finished. We are going to check. Thank you. I told you have to be deep, so I introduce all my needle completely. And now I inject 5 units as well.
What muscle is that?
DAO, depressor angulisoris. You have here the depressor angulisoris. The goal of this muscle is to go the angle of the mouse down. If you want to push the angle of the mouse down, it's thanks to the DAO. The lips goes down thanks to depressor labili inferiori. And we have the montalis who go down all the lips like this. If you do like this, it's the montalis. So the most superficial is DAO. Under you have the depressor labili inferiori, and deep you have the montalis. You have 3 levels. So because the DAO is superficial nerve, a superficial muscle, you have thoracic muscle. A second, the motoring plate is on the anterior part of the muscle. It's superficial, the motoring plate. So you have to inject in the motoring plate. So this one has to be superficial, and this one has to be deep because you have to inject directly in the muscle. This one is mostly to put the angle of the mouse to lift, because the patient says, doctor, I would like to lift my angle because it's going down here. So this point is very good to lift here. And this one is good for lifting here, the podicle. So I do the same for the other part. You have 1 point here. So you can see, to make sure you don't inject in the depressor injury, imagine, you can see as the commissure, the labial commissure can see, you mark a straight line like this. You see the commissure is here, you put a straight line. Never inject inside this line. If you go inside, you have a risk to touch the depressor labial inferior. When the patient with love, rayer, open, rayer, como eso. La buena pasilla como eso. Si para leer como eso. Entonces, es muy important.
Huh? Inject the mentalis muscle here. It's okay, but not here.
No, I am speaking firstly about the depressor labial inferior. If you inject too much here, when she smiles, she will smile like this because the lips colors go down. She really smile like this, so it's very, very ugly. And the second, I told you the second one is here. If you have a doubt, it's better to be outside than inside. But if you respect this line, you know, I can go very easily, I go deeply, and inject 5 units itself. I think it injects 1. And that's it. In a few days, you'll be